Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly explore and gain a deep understanding of the most correct, straightforward, and incredibly easy method to effectively delete and completely remove any application, whether pre-installed or downloaded, that is currently present and occupying space on your mobile device or smartphone. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So for example, I will demonstrate how to delete this particular application from my mobile phone. I simply need to press and hold down on its icon for a moment. After that, I will then tap on the option labeled Delete App, which is typically the very last option presented and prominently appears in a distinct red color. I will carefully press in this specific spot on the screen, then I will proceed to tap on Delete App once more to confirm my action. And for the very last time, to finalize the process, I will tap on Delete from this final confirmation prompt or location. As you can clearly see, the application has been successfully deleted from my mobile phone, and I truly think that this particular method is the easiest, the very best, and the primary way to delete applications from your phone. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly useful iPhone tutorials where you will undoubtedly find many important and highly beneficial guides that you will truly appreciate and gain significant value from. Goodbye, my friends.